my channel Balvigyan Bharti, and here is your mentor Avilash Sarkar. Now we are progressing on the problem solving session on trigonometric ratio. Here we have reached the problem till 30. We'll start from the problem number 31. So 31 says So 31 says 1 plus cos A upon sin A has to be equal to sin A by 1 minus cos A. Okay. So let me start with the left hand side. 1 plus cos A upon sin A. So I will do multiplication with the conjugate in the numerator and denominator. So that will turn it to 1 minus cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos A. That will give you sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos A. So that will turn it into sin A by 1 minus cos A, that is equal to your right hand side. Okay. Moving to 32. 32 says cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equal to sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A. Yes. So if I start from the left hand side and if I write it in the form of sin and cos, so that will turn it to cos A, and this will be sin by cos, sin A by cos A plus sin A here 1 minus cos A by sin A. That will go up to cos square A by cos A minus sin A plus sin square will go up, that will turn it to sin A minus cos A. So cos square A divided by cos A minus sin A, and if I take minus common, so that will turn into then the same form of cos A minus sin A. So I will take sin common, minus common, so that will turn it to the denominator. In either you can change the sign of the numerator or denominator. Here the possibilities of changing the sign of the denominator, so that if I change, it will turn the denominator in the same form. So there it will be cos A minus sin A. It will be the LCM of these two, and the top that will remain as cos square A minus sin square A. So I will not put the formula of cos square minus sin square, rather that will be A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. So and at the denominator it will be A minus B already having. So that will be ultimately will remain as cos A plus sin A. So that you need to prove. Okay. So that is 32. Moving to 33. 33 says if cos theta is equal to, very easy, if cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, find the 5 ratios. So find 5 ratios. So what are the ratios we are having? We know we are having sin theta apart from cos theta, then cosec, the inverse of sin, sec, the inverse of cos, tan, combination of sin and cos, and cot. These are the other 5 ratios. So 1 by 1 sin means 1 root over of 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus 4 square by 5 square, that is equal to 25 minus 16 by 25, that is equal to 9 by 25 under root, that is equal to 3 by 5. So your sin theta is equal to this one, cos theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, so that is equal to 1 upon 3 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 3. Sec theta 1 upon cos theta 4 by 5, 1 upon 4 by 5, that will turn it to 5 by 4. Tan theta sin theta by cos theta, sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, 3 by 4. Cot theta 1 by tan theta, or you can say cos theta by sin theta, anything you can use. Here as tan theta is available, we will use it directly. 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. So these are the other ratios. Moving to 34. If tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2, find value of cosec square theta minus sec square theta upon cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Cosec square theta by plus cot square theta. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2, that means tan theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So what would be the other cases? If I able to convert it into in the form of cot and tan, that will be good. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, that is equal to root 2. So these two values you know. So cos square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1 minus of sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Then cot square theta plus 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta. So this is already having cot square theta, so you can write down cot square theta. So all is transferred into tan and cot and tan. So cot square theta 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. Ultimately it will be tan square theta divided by 2 cot square theta plus 1. Okay, now I can put the value. Cot theta is equal to root 2 whole square, that means 2. This is tan square is equal to 1 by root 2, that means half. 2 into cot square theta means 2 plus 1. So ultimately this will become 3 by 2 divided by 5. So ultimately 3 by 10. It will be your answer. Okay. 34 gone. We will move into 35. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So find 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Yes. Now, if tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, that we can write by sin theta by cos theta is equal to 3 by 4, or sin theta by 3 is equal to cos theta by 4. Okay. Now, this is equal to, we can do, if I do the similar operation with the same and add or minus that will give you the result. So that is equal to 25, that is equal to 1 by 5 square. Ultimately, so this will be 1 by 5. So what is your sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so this you can do. This is one of the property for ratios. You can do similar operation and add or minus whatever you can do. That will give you the same ratio. So that means I can do it. This is one of the property of ratios. So that will be same as the value. So they have done the same thing, sin by 3 cos by 4. What I did, cos sin square plus cos square under root 3 square plus 4 square under root, the same operation of doing, but I am not changing the order. Order is 1 here, order is also 1 here. So ultimately this will give you 1 by 5. So now individually sin by 3 is equal to 1 by 5, that means sin is equal to 3 by 5, cos is equal to 4 by 5. That you can also get from the, if I draw the triangle, because all the ratios are belongs to a right angle triangle. Now for the tan, let's say this is the theta, I am talking about the tan. So tan means vertical by horizontal. So up to if I do that, so what will be your hypotenuse? It will be 5. Now if I say the sine angle of that, sine of theta is what? Sine of theta is equal to 3 by hypotenuse. Now see, I've got the same result here. And cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. That I've got the same. So whether you use the identities or sometimes why I am showing, that may be useful for some other cases. Not here, although it is not useful so much. You can do it in the other way that I have shown you. But it could be useful for in other cases also that I have shown. These are the properties, one of the properties that can be used. So from there I got the value of cos. Now everything is there in the form of cos. So cos is 4 by 5. If I put the value there, I will get 4 by 5 upon 1 plus 4 by 5. So that is equal to 5 means 1 by 5 upon 9 by 5. So that will give you 1 by 9. It will be answered. Okay. Moving to 36. cos to the power 6 theta plus sin to the power 6 theta. That you have to prove 1 minus, basically 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. That you have to prove. Okay. Now let's start from the right hand side. Cos to the power 6 theta plus sin to the power 6 theta. That I can write it like that: square theta whole cube plus sin square theta whole cube. So a cube plus b cube, that means a plus b, because I'm taking as cos square theta is equal to, let's say, a, sin square theta is equal to b. So that will turn it to a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This will be the formula. Now if I put it like that, a square means cos square theta, cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta sin square theta cos square theta sin square theta and sin to the power 4 theta. Now what is this? This is 1. So ultimately this will turn into cos to the power 4 theta. I bring this together, sin to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta sin square theta. So now come to the top part of the board. Now this again I will put in the same way. This will cos square theta whole square. So that will turn a square plus b square. Now this time it is a square plus b square. So a square plus b square can another form can be written. That means cos square theta whole square plus sine square theta whole square minus already we are having this, so this a square plus b square, that I can write as a plus b whole square minus 2 of ab, 2 of ab, and already we are having this sine square theta. Understood? A square plus b square, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, isn't it? So what is a here? A we have taken as cos square theta, b we have taken as sine square theta, so that will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so from there I can write this is 1, ultimately 1, and this is 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1, so that means minus 3 sine square theta. Whether you write cos square theta sine square theta or sine square theta, that doesn't mean anything, that will not change the value. So I am arranging as it is given in the problem. So I am writing it is 3 sine square theta cos square theta, that is your right hand side, hence it is proved. Okay, so I will end up here. In the next video I will start from the problem number 37. Okay, so good night for now.